Alright guys, so in this video we're going to look at how to print with Replicator Minis. To start off with, it's a different software. It's still MakerBot, but here's the software you're looking for. So I'm going to double click on that. And the first time you use this, you're going to have to log in. If you have not created a username and password, you're going to have to do that. But once you've done it once, you won't have to do it again. So I'm going to type in my information real quick. Alright, so it looks really similar. Most of these print softwares end up looking the exact same. First things first, we want to bring in a file. I'm going to go File, Insert File. From here, the file I just brought in, I'm doing this for a student. Usually yours is probably saved in your specific folders or your Google Drive. This one I just happen to have it right here. Okay, so just like in the other software, if you're familiar with it, these icons have similar roles. This is your scaling icon. We can make it bigger or smaller, so let's just scale it briefly. Maybe I think it's too big. Let's say I want it to be 80% of its current size. So I'm just going to type in 80%, hit enter, and there it scales it down, whatever. This object, this one orients it, so if you need to turn it, our goal is for there not to be anything overhanging, and you want your biggest space down. In general, that's going to give you the cleanest print. This looks great, so nothing I really need to. I could just click here and it turns it. I don't like that because it's going to have a lot of overhang. The overhang will need supports. So you can turn things. This one, this is how you can arrange it. If you need to move it any which way, that's fine. If you haven't moved it, it's all fine. I will say arrange on build plate, just so it's all the way flat. We don't want it floating up in the air. Alright, so first we want to look at the preview. Oh, before I do preview, alright, so first we select printer. So I'm going to open this up, and we want, first I plugged it in by USB. Just unplug it from wherever it's at, plug it into your computer, and select the one that's plugged in. Okay, this one says offline. I know that's not the one I'm looking for, so I'm going to hit select here. Alright, so I've selected that one. Yours might have to, if it had a previous job on it, it might say it's not quite ready and you need to click done. Here, we're all set. Everything looks fine. So now I can just hit print. Now, really important, you need to leave your computer logged in and it connected at least until this red bar has fully gone through. My general advice is leave this running in the background for a couple minutes. If you go and log out while it's halfway through, that's going to be completely fine. But let it run for at least a little bit. Okay, so here it tells me this could be an hour, 8 minutes. We'll come back in a little bit and we'll have our product.